In this video, we are going to see that if your Discord is stuck at the starting screen and it keeps on showing starting, but it is not getting started, here's what you can do to resolve this. First of all, just head over to this right tray icon and just find Discord here, right click, quit Discord. But we want to make sure that it is fully closed. Control Alternate and delete. Let's click on the task manager. And from here, we want to search for Discord again in the D section, or we can also write it here, Discord, and it is closed. It is not shown in apps. And after that, what we want to do is just right click on this shortcut key of yours and just right click and click on run as administrator. It will ask you to update your device and allow the access. Click on yes, and then hopefully it should start immediately. But if not, like in my case, what we want to do is just go to the add or remove programs. Here it is. Let's find a Discord here. And that happens with Discord a lot. Just click on the three dots and click on uninstall, because it is a very quick process to uninstall and then reinstall this. So it doesn't take time. Don't worry about that. Click on uninstall and will be uninstalled, it says. After that, we want to make sure that when we write Discord, it shouldn't show anything. That's the confirmation of it is uninstalled. And now it is completely gone. What we can do is just go to this folder, go to the downloads. And if you already have the setup, that's great. But if not, you can install or download a fresh copy of it. It will only take you some seconds. But let's use this link. And as you can see, it is now downloading the updates. It's again on the starting screen, and now the starting screen is gone and we might be able to access it like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you have seen that we even didn't log in again. It is completely working fine. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.